Now, if you are also on your weight loss journey and you have heard many times that you should not eat rice if you're trying to lose weight, then let me tell you, this is not completely correct. So don't worry thinking that you cannot eat rice in your weight loss recipe. You can. You just have to keep three things in mind. So if you're new here, subscribe to my channel to get all the healthy homemade and weight loss recipe which are easy to make and are healthy. So the three things that you have to keep in mind is whatever recipe you are making, it should be high in fiber, high in protein and portion control hona chahiye. So for fiber, we have taken vegetable. Here I have used broccoli, capsicum and some carrots. You can take any vegetable which is available to you. For the broccoli, I have steamed the broccoli earlier and then I've added. Then we will add some red chili flakes, oregano and some salt and then let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now here for the protein, I have taken 80 grams of low fat paneer. If you want, you can substitute it with chicken or tofu as well. And then we will add 80 to 100 grams of leftover rice with just half a tablespoon of soya sauce, vinegar and red chili sauce. Then we will add half a tablespoon of chili oil, which is totally optional but it will make the taste even better. I love to enjoy rice recipes with some raita, so here we are making one with some coriander, mint leaves, raita masala and some black salt. The recipe of raita masala I have already shared before. If you want the recipe, comment recipe below and do try this amazing and healthy rice recipe at your home and let me know your thoughts. Save this and try it and do share it with your friends who think that you cannot eat rice in your weight loss journey.